Hi everyone, by the name of Allah, in this course we are going to learn e-filing taxation system in Afghanistan. In this video we will focus on course outlines, introduction to e-filing system of Afghanistan, requirements and abbreviation used during this course. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on social media. First of all, my name is Nasar Ahmad Noori. I am working as a finance and taxation advisor. If you have any question regarding taxation or e-filing system, don't hesitate to contact me directly by my WhatsApp number or by email. Following are our course outlines. The first video contains introduction to e-filing system. Then we will learn how to create a new user. After that, we will get familiar with the application environment. Then how to submit business receipt tax report, wages withholding tax report, rent withholding tax report, annual tax return, and then we will understand what is the process after submitting tax report. We may also add further videos if required. E-filing taxation system is developed by Afghanistan Revenue Department or ARD, which facilitate taxpayer to electronically submit tax forms. This system is currently under development, so you may find some features which are not working properly during this course. Electronic record of tax form, faster processing, accuracy of filing tax online, lower costs, and etc. are the benefit of using e-filing taxation system. What are the requirements to use e-filing taxation system? First of all, you need to have a stable internet connection. Then you must have a computer, phone, or tablet. And the last thing you need is a printer to print tax forms. Following is the list of abbreviation which we use during this course. You can see in the table below. Thanks for your time. In the next video, we will learn how to create a new user or register a new user. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further videos.